Hello everyone. This week so far we've been looking at o'clock times, and today we're going to move on to looking at half past. But before we do that, we're going to recap on showing o'clock. So have a little look. What time is my clock showing? That's right, it is 5 o'clock. Now then, I'm going to put some cards out. I'm not going to change my clock yet. I want you to have a go once you've seen the time at moving your clock to show the right time. Then I'll move mine and you can check if you had it right. Okay, so your first one is 6 o'clock. So can you have a go at putting your clock to 6 o'clock? Think about where the big hand needs to go and where the small hand should be pointing. The 6 o'clock. Okay, have you done it? Okay, so I'm going to move mine to 6 o'clock and let's see then if yours was right. Did yours look like that? Diane. Now then, we'll do one more before we move on to half past. This time, can you show the time of 9 o'clock? I'm going to leave mine where it is. You have a go at yours. Okay, so what do we need to do with our clock? We know our big hand needs to be on the 12 and our hand then needs to be pointing at the 9. Ooh, let's have a look. So 9 o'clock. Did your clock look like that? Excellent, well done. Now then, we're going to move on now to looking at half past. So when we're looking at half past, we know that the big hand needs to be pointing at the 6 this time. This is half past the hour, 30 minutes, is half of the time. So we've got 3:30. So the big hand has to be pointing at the 6 and the small hand, where's going to go, needs to be halfway past the 3 because it's 3:30. Okay, so can you see it goes halfway between the 3 and the 4. This is 3:30. Okay. I'm going to change it now and I want you to have a little go on your clock to show 10:30. Okay, so I'm going to leave my clock, have a little go and put in your clocks to 10:30. Remember which hand always points to number 6. Okay, let's have a little look together. We'll see if you had it right. So we know half past means that a big hand always points on the number 6. So it's 10:30. So the small hand needs to go round. And it needs to go halfway past the number 10. Ooh, mine's moving about a bit much there. So did yours look like that? So it's 10:30. Excellent. Now then, on our distance learning page, underneath this video will be some time cards for you to have a little look at and practice doing a little bit more with your clocks to show half past. Okay, so have a little go, keep practicing and send me some photos of you having a go at putting your clocks to half past.